As we age, we lose bone, tissue, and fat. Bone loss contributes to facial drooping, most often associated with a sharp jawline slowly turning into jowls. Tissue, collagen, and elastin loss creates wrinkles and crepey skin. Fat loss causes the face to flatten, the brows to drop, and the cheeks and other facial areas to become hollow. In our early 20s, we stop growing new fat cells, and collagen production diminishes. We also begin to lose fat in the deep layers of the face. This loss begins to become noticeable in our late 30s to early 40s. At that time, many women and men turn to hyaluronic acid to replace their fat and collagen loss. Until now, medically trained aesthetic injectors did not have a treatment to replace facial fat pad loss with actual fat, without their patient having to undergo liposuction to harvest the fat needed to inject into the desired area. With Renuva, elite aesthetic injectors now have an off-the-shelf solution that replaces fat pad loss with the patient's very own fat. Renuva is a biocompatible agent comprised of the same regenerative components, such as growth factors, proteins, and collagen, found in the body's own fat. When injected, Renuva replenishes volume. Renuva is also ideal for refining contour deficiencies such as hip dips, or smoothing irregularities in the breasts, often caused by surgery. Renuva is injected where fat naturally exists. When injected, Renuva acts like a honeycomb-type matrix the body naturally fills with its very own fat cells. Over the course of 3 months post-treatment, Renuva is slowly eliminated by the body, leaving only the patient's own fat cells, exactly where they want it. The fat lasts as long as the patient's own fat cells naturally last. Patients experience a natural-looking, youthful, and lasting result from Renuva, which never causes filler fatigue. What is filler fatigue? Filler fatigue is the result of water in the body being drawn to the particles in hyaluronic acid. This results in the molecules becoming surrounded by water, causing swelling, which is that puffy or swollen look that can often be described and confused with somebody looking overdone. Renuva is a leader in the science of using the body's own ability to repair itself to achieve a healthy and youthful appearance. To learn if Renuva can help you stay ageless, visit myrenuva.com or send a message through social media to @myrenuva to find an elite Renuva injector near you. If you have questions, please send an email to renuva@myrenuva.com.